Are you tired of walking into your room and feeling overwhelmed by the clutter? Do you dream of a calm, organized space but don't know where to start? Well, you're not alone, and I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to share simple, actionable steps to make your room less cluttered and more peaceful. Let's dive in. Step 1. Start with a clear vision. Before you start decluttering, take a moment to visualize how you want your room to look and feel. Do you want it to be a cozy retreat, a productive workspace, or just a clean, relaxing space to unwind? Having a clear vision gives you a goal to work toward. Take a picture of your room now, and as you progress, you can track your transformation. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about creating a space that works for you. Step 2. Declutter by categories. One of the best ways to tackle clutter is by organizing by category instead of location. Start small with categories like clothes, books, or miscellaneous items. Gather all the items in that category into one spot, like your bed or the floor, and go through them one by one. Ask yourself, do I use this? Does it bring me joy or serve a purpose? Is it worth the space it's taking up? Anything you don't need, set aside for donation, recycling, or trash. Remember, letting go of unused items doesn't mean losing memories. It means making space for what truly matters. Step 3. Create a home for everything. To keep your room clutter-free, every item needs a designated home. Use storage solutions like baskets, bins, and drawer organizers to store similar items together. For example, use a basket for cables and chargers. Keep all your skincare products in one drawer. Store seasonal clothes in bins under your bed. Labeling is your best friend here. It helps you remember where things belong and makes it easier to maintain the organization long term. If you're limited on storage, consider vertical solutions like shelves or wall hooks. They save space and keep your room looking tidy. Step 4. Adopt the one in, one out rule. Here's a game-changing habit. For every new item you bring into your room, let go of one old item. Bought a new shirt? Donate an old one. This simple rule prevents clutter from creeping back into your space. And remember, before making a new purchase, ask yourself if it's something you really need or just a temporary impulse. Step 5. Keep flat surfaces clear. Flat surfaces like your desk, nightstand, and shelves are clutter magnets. But keeping them clear can instantly make your room feel more organized. Here's how. Only keep essentials on these surfaces, like a lamp or a book you're currently reading. Use trays or small organizers for items like keys, pens, or jewelry. Make it a habit to clear surfaces daily. Just 5 minutes before bed can make a huge difference. Step 6. Maximize underutilized spaces. Most rooms have hidden storage potential that you might not be using. Look under your bed, behind your door, or on your walls. Use underbed storage bins for seasonal clothes or extra bedding. Over the door hooks for bags or jackets. Wall-mounted shelves for books or decorative items. These small tweaks can free up so much space and make your room look bigger and cleaner. Step 7. Declutter digitally too. Decluttering isn't just physical, it's digital too. Clean up your phone, laptop, or tablet while you're at it. Delete old files, organize your photos, and unsubscribe from emails that no longer serve you. A digital declutter can reduce mental clutter and help you feel more in control. Step 8. Make it a lifestyle, not a one-time task. Decluttering isn't a one-time event, it's a mindset. Dedicate just 10 minutes daily to tidying up your space, whether it's folding clothes, organizing your desk, or putting things back where they belong. Over time, These small habits will keep your room clutter-free effortlessly. By following these steps, you can turn your room into the peaceful, organized space you've always wanted. Remember, it's not about how fast you do it, but about taking consistent steps. Which tip was your favorite? Comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more decluttering tips.